Okay, my name Dani Amal Rizki, student of AIRLANGGA University. Now, I will give you information about the how to avoid hoax news in cyberspace. Lately, there has been a lot of false information and news about cyberspace, or better known as hoax, by a number of irresponsible individuals. If there is no caution, netizens can easily be fooled by the hoax threats, even contributing in the spread of false information, which will be very detrimental to the defamation victim. Then, how do I not be incited? As reported on Kompas.com, chairperson of the Indonesian Anti-Hoax Society, Septiaji Eko Nugroho, outlined 5 simple steps that can help in identifying which news is hoax and where is the original news. Okay, I will explain this. First, be careful with provocative titles. News hoax often use provocative, sensational titles, for example, salt mixed with glass. Therefore, if you find a news with a provocative titles, you should look for reference in the form of similar news from the official online site. Then compare the content, whether the same or different. Choose at least you are because the reader can get a more balanced conclusion. 2. Pay attention to the site address. For information obtained from the website or include a link, look at the URL address of the site. If it comes from a site that has not been verified as an official press institution, for example, using a blog domain or WordPress.com, then the information is arguably doubtful. According to the Press Council record, in Indonesia there are around 43,000 sites in Indonesia claiming to be news portal. Of these, those that have been verified as official news sites do not reach 300. This means that there are at least tens of thousands of sites that have the potential to spread false news on the internet that must be watched out. Third, check on fact. Notice where the news comes from and who is the source. Is it from an official institution such as the KPK or the National Police? We recommend that you do not quickly believe if the information comes from GSO activists, political figures, or observers. Pay attention to the balance of news sources. If there is only one source, the reader cannot get a complete picture. Another thing that needs to be observed is the difference between news made based on facts and opinions. Facts are events that occur with testimony and evidence, while opinions are opinions and impressions from news writers, so that they have a tendency to be subjective. 4. Check the authenticity of the photo. Is the current era of digital technology not only content in the form of text that can be manipulated, but also other content in the form of photo or videos. There are times when fake news makers also edit photos or provoke readers. How to check the authenticity of photos can be by utilizing the Google search engine, namely by drag and drop to the Google image search field. The search result will present similar images found on the internet so that they can be compared. The 5. Participate in anti-hoax discussion groups. On Facebook, there are a number of fanpages and anti-hoax discussion groups, such as the Forum Anti-Fitnah, Hasud and Hoax, fanpage and group Indonesian Hoax Buster, fanpage Indonesian Hoax, and Skoci group. In this discussion group, netizens can ask if an information is a hoax or not, as well as see the clarification that has been given by others. All members can contribute so that the group function like crowdsourcing that utilize the power of many people. So, with the 5 steps, we can avoid the hoax news in cyberspace. Okay? I hope when I give you this information, you can implement this 5 steps to avoid the hoax news in cyberspace. Thank you.
जी